CanTrucksToGo.com. Count on us to keep you rolling.
You want to first press and hold the on button. Within a second you press and hold the T button. Cal. As mentioned before, you can also go up and reach also Cal 0. We press the enter button and the skill will start counting down. When it's done counting down, it will say done. When we see done, we want to press and hold the enter button so that we see set. We release, a 0 calibration has been performed. We enter the on and the T button to enter the calibration menu. We'll see Cal, confirm with the enter, and now we want to see corner. We press enter on the corner, and this is the first value. You press enter again. You can ignore this for now. Press enter again, and then you see corner A. Corner A starts as follows. Fork 1, closest to the heel of the fork, corner A. Go to the tip of the fork, corner B. Now cross over, corner C, corner D. It goes clockwise.
Yeah.
Alright? Alright, so in the field, you will not have a weight available to do this corner calibration accurately, therefore you can also use your own weight. Make sure that when you do this, you're extremely stable and you're not touching anything except for the scale. So I stand on corner A, and I'm standing extremely still, and I press enter. That was it. Corner B, extremely still, press enter. That was it. These are just random values that are thrown at you, you can ignore those. Corner C, done. Now becomes an important step. I will press enter for corner D, but after that it will most likely throw a done at me. At that moment I will have to hold the enter button to get a set. Okay? Done, hold the enter button, set. Now it automatically, because I was holding the enter button, automatically it enters another corner calibration. Just exit that by pressing the on button. Okay? So now I can show you that all the corners are the same. As you remember, this corner was 628 before. They were both 630. We enter the calibration menu once again, on button, T button, wait for cal, there's cal, we confirm with the enter button, and now we want angle. Right there, there's angle. We press enter to confirm that we want to calibrate this. This is normal, we confirm once again with enter, it will start doing a countdown. Once the countdown is done, it will not say done at this moment, but we can exit the angle calibration and then it will say done. So I will exit the calibration and hold the enter button once it says done. And then once again we'll have the set. We press and hold the on button and then the T button. We see cal. Now we can enter the calibration menu by pressing the enter button. We see corn first. If you go one up by pressing the plus button with the arrow pointing upwards, we will see cal 0. We'll just do that one more time to make sure that everything is alright. It will count down, and once it's counting down, done, we press and hold the enter button, set, and then we move along to the next calibration, which is the span calibration. The span calibration can be either a single point calibration. It will ask for to confirm the unit. It's in pounds. We confirm, press enter. Now we will see a weight of 5,000. We have 3 calibration points, E1, E2 and E3. We want to make sure that E2 and E3 are empty before we start with calibration point 1, which is E1. So we go up, we see an amount of 10,000. A quick way to delete the 10,000 is by pressing enter. And your right digit will be flashing. A quick way to delete all of this is by just pressing the on button once, and it makes it all zeros. Confirm again by pressing the enter button and your E2 will be flashing again. We now move one up to check E3. E3 is okay. We can now go back down to E1. E1 now shows 5,000 pounds. The weight that we are using is 1185, so we'll change this 5,000 pounds to 1185. We make it the first digit, we make a 5. You always work from right to left instead of left to right. That's also an important note. We will make this an 8. And then that a 1. And this one also a 1. E1 is ready to be calibrated, so we'll start the focus. Weight is on the forks. When the weight is on the forks, you want to make sure that E1 is blinking We press and hold the 0 button or enter button until it counts down. When you see ADJ, you can release. It will count down and go back to where you started. Alright, perfect. Now we put the weight down. Back up. Wait. So we go down to AP31. We confirm with enter. Now we'll ask for a zone. This is usually on 9.800. You can leave it at 9.800. You press enter to confirm. And it will say done. Once you see done, you press and hold enter. Set unit. Alright, we can back out now. It cannot be uneven at this point because we take 2 steps before 2000. After 2000 we take steps of 5 pounds.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call us toll free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.